Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best phonics is probably one of the most crucial yet often misunderstood components of early childhood education, and in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes a phonics program truly effective for young learners, exploring the latest research and practical applications to help your child build a strong foundation for reading success. Number 5. Shifting the balance, science of reading in balanced literacy. Discover how to effectively integrate the science of reading into your existing balanced literacy classroom. This approach is designed to enhance student learning and comprehension. Learn practical strategies to bridge the gap between current practices and the latest research in reading science. We provide actionable steps for immediate implementation. Explore 6 essential ways to shift the balance in your instruction. Each method is grounded in scientific evidence to support all learners. Help your students build a strong foundation in reading with proven techniques. Our methods are designed to foster confidence and success in every child. Bring the power of reading science into your daily lessons. This resource offers a clear path to more effective and equitable literacy instruction. Unlock the potential for reading success in all your students. By understanding the science, you can create a more impactful learning environment. What we like. This resource offers a practical guide to merging phonics with balanced literacy. It provides actionable strategies for educators looking to enhance their teaching methods. If you are an educator seeking to bridge the gap between different reading philosophies, this is a valuable tool for your classroom. What people say. This is a great book for learning phonics. It is well organized and easy to understand. The book provides a comprehensive overview of phonics, covering all the essential concepts. I love the practical exercises and examples included in the book. They really help to reinforce the concepts. Number 4. QuTZ Phonics Learning Toy for Preschool Kids. This phonics system is developed by linguistic experts to help children master phonics rules and word construction. It includes cards for practicing letters, combinations, and words across multiple levels. The learning process is divided into 2 simple steps. First, practice individual letter sounds, then combine them to form words. It also supports blending practice for better word recognition. Beyond phonics, this toy also includes number cards and math games. These activities help with counting and addition, preparing children for school. Designed for independent learning, children can progress through different stages and levels at their own pace. The card reader guides them through phonics and word building. Summary cards provide an overview of learned concepts, while practice cards offer example sentences. These features help reinforce reading skills and build confidence. This educational toy is perfect for children aged 3 and up, providing a comprehensive and engaging way to learn essential reading and math skills. What we like. This interactive toy makes learning phonics fun and engaging for young children. It offers a structured, multi-level approach to mastering sounds and word blending, with the added bonus of math activities. If you're looking for an educational toy that can keep preschoolers entertained while building a strong foundation in reading and numbers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great resource for teaching phonics. It is well organized and easy to follow. The book provides a comprehensive overview of phonics instruction, covering all the essential elements. I appreciate the practical strategies and activities included in the book, which can be immediately applied in the classroom. Number 3. Learning Resources New Sprouts Bushel of Fruit. Introducing a delightful bushel of pretend fruit, perfect for tiny hands. It's designed to spark imagination and encourage early learning through play. This set includes 10 colorful pieces, offering a variety of fruits for endless culinary adventures. It's a fantastic way to introduce different food types. Specially made for toddlers aged 18 months and up, this toy promotes fine motor skills and sensory exploration. It's safe and engaging for young children. These learning toys are designed to support your toddler's development. They encourage imaginative play and help build vocabulary related to food. Add this bushel of fruit to your child's play kitchen for realistic pretend scenarios. It's an ideal addition for hours of interactive fun and role-playing. What we like. This set provides a delightful collection of realistic-looking play food for toddlers. It encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills through handling the pieces. If you have a young child who loves to engage in pretend play and explore different scenarios, this is a perfect addition to their toy collection. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to teaching phonics. It provides a clear and systematic approach to phonics instruction. The book includes a variety of activities and resources that can be used to support phonics learning. Number 2. Storymaker, Magnetic Poetry Kit. Spark creativity with this fun magnetic word kit. It's designed to inspire outlandish storylines and imaginative play for kids. This kit makes learning parts of speech engaging. Color-coded tiles help children understand nouns, verbs, and more as they create. With over 150 magnetic word tiles, your child can create poems, messages, or even word art. The possibilities for expression are endless. Expand their creativity by mixing this set with others. It's a perfect way to create unique combinations and personalized gifts. These magnetic word tiles are proudly made in America. They are non-toxic and meet all safety guidelines for your peace of mind. Ideal for budding poets and young writers, this kit offers hours of creative fun. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays or any occasion. What we like. This magnetic poetry set sparks creativity and introduces children to the building blocks of language. With color-coded tiles representing different parts of speech, it makes learning grammar fun and interactive. If you want to encourage your child's writing skills and imaginative storytelling in a playful way, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great resource for teaching phonics. It is well organized and easy to follow. The activities are engaging and effective in helping children learn to read. I appreciate the clear explanations and the variety of practice exercises included. Number 1. TEYTOY Baby Soft Cloth Books 6-Pack. Discover a world of textures and learning with these soft books. They teach basic reading, shapes, nature, and colors, stimulating your baby's memory and senses. Worry-free reading is here. These cloth books are made with non-toxic materials and strong stitching, ensuring they are safe for your baby to explore, even in the bath. Capture your child's attention with vibrant images and fun characters. Packed with educational activities, these books provide endless hours of enjoyment for infants and toddlers. Give your child a flying start by sharing these soft books. It's a wonderful way to bond while stimulating essential skills like language, imagination, and sensory development. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. These soft cloth books offer a safe and engaging sensory experience for babies and toddlers. They are designed to stimulate early learning through touch, sight, and sound, while being completely baby-proof. If you are looking for a durable, washable, and highly stimulating first book set for your infant, this is an ideal choice for fostering early development. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to phonics instruction, covering a wide range of strategies and techniques. The book provides practical examples and activities that can be easily implemented in the classroom. It offers a clear and structured approach to teaching phonics, making it easy for educators to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.